Good morning, class. Now, exercise first A, question number 4. Exercise first A, question 4. What is the difference between the place value of the odd digit in each of the following? First of all, you have to find out the odd digit in this number. Question 1. Number 3467802. What he is asking? Place value of odd digits. First of all, we have to find out the odd digits. Odd number means the number which is not divisible by 2. What are odd numbers? The numbers which are not divisible by 2. So, the odd numbers are 3, 7. Now find out the place value of these numbers. So, place value of 3. How you will find place value? Write that digit and the number of digits, the number of 0 you have to put here. So, number of digits are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 6, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 0. Then, place value of 7. 7 after 7, 3 digits are there. So, 3, 0. Like this. Now, he is asking difference. Write the difference. So, difference means subtract. So, like this you have to do. Minus it. What you will got after doing minus? That will be your answer. Clear? Like this you have to do. Now coming on to next exercise, exercise first B. This exercise is very simple. So I am giving you this exercise as a homework. Nothing is there, only plus, minus, then simplify, then multiply, divide. These are simple things which you can do easily. So this exercise is your homework. You have to do it by your own. Okay. Now coming on to next exercise, exercise first C. These are word sums, word problem. See, the number of the tourists in India during the last 4 consecutive years was this much, this and this respectively. Find the total number. Total number means you have to add all the digits and you will get the answer. Only this you have to do. What you have to do is you have to add all the digits and you will get the answer. Clear? Now in second question, in an election contested by the 3 candidates, the successful candidate got this much vote and the other 2 candidates secured this vote and this votes. The number of invalid vote was this much and the number of the people who did not cast their vote was this much. So find out the total number of vote registered. So what we have to do? We have to add all the numbers. We have to add all the numbers and you will get the answer. Clear? This number, this number, this number, this number and this number. You have to add all the number and we will get total number of votes. Like this you have to solve these problems. See now question number 6. What must be added to this number to get this number? In this question you have to subtract both the numbers and you will get the answer. You have to subtract both the numbers and you will get the answer. Now next question 7. The total population of a city is this much. If the number of the male is this, find the number of female. You have to minus. You have to subtract both the numbers and you will get your answer, the number of females. Clear? Like this only you have to solve your problem. You have to read the question and you have to understand whether the question is asking about subtraction or addition. Only this you have to do in this. Now see question number 13. The distance between the house of Aditya and his school is 1 kilometer 625 meter. Every day he walked both the ways. Find the total distance covered in 6 days. He walked both the ways. Both the ways means this distance twice he is covering. He is covering this distance twice in a day. So, how you will do? Total distance two into 1.625 kilometer. Converting this whole digit in kilometer, you will get 1.625. Then he is walking this two-way. He is walking two-way. So he is covering this distance twice in a day. That means we have to multiply this value with 2. So we will get total distance. Here you will get 3.250. This you will get. Now you have to find out the total distance covered in 6 days. So 6 days means total distance covered. 6 days means multiply by 6. You will get the answer. This will be your answer. Or you can convert it. So you will get 19 kilometer 500 meter. Like this you will get. If you will convert it in kilometer to meter, then you will get this answer. This answer is also correct. This is also correct. Clear? Now coming on to next question. Question number 14. To stitch a shirt, 2 meter 35 centimeter length of the cloth is required. How much length of the cloth is needed to stitch 11 such shirts? 11 such shirts. So first you have to convert it. 2.35 meter. 2.35 meter will be. Then multiply this with 11. You will get the answer. Clear? Like this you have to do these questions. These are very easy questions. You can do it by your own. So these are homework. Do it by your own. See last question also. A firm distribute this much of food grains among 2 to 5 people affected by the flood. How much food each person gets? You have to only divide this 2 to 5 by this and you will get the answer. In this question, you have to divide this 2 to 5 by this number and you will get the answer. How you will divide? Put kilogram different and gram different and divide it as you used to divide in class 5th. Similarly, you have to divide this and you will get your answer. Clear? Now coming on to next exercise, which is approximation, estimate or round off. There are 3 words but they have same meaning, that you have to round off the digits. You had done in class 5th also, round off to 100, round off to 1000. Similarly, you have to do this exercise also. Now coming on to exercise first D. You have to round off. See what he is asking. Find the approximation value of each of the following. First one is 573. Correct to the 10th place. See how you have to do this. Correct to the 10th place means you have to see first the 10th value. Once tens. In 10th place you are having 7. After 7, if the number is greater than 5, then you have to increase 1. If the number is less than 5, you have to write the same value. So here in 10th place 7 is coming. After 7 the value is 3, which is less than 5. So you have to put 0. So the answer will be 570. Clear? Like this you have to round off this. See, nearest to 100. First you have to find out what value is coming nearest to 100. 1 stands 100. 8 is coming. After 8, 7 is coming. 7 is greater than 5. So you have to increase 1 here. 8 will become 9. The answer will be 39 00. Clear? Like this you have to do. Similarly, this round off also you have to do in same way only. Lakh is asking ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. In lakh place 1 is coming. After 1 what digit is coming? 6, which is greater than 5. So here 1 will become 2. So the answer will be 3, 2 and 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 5 0 will be there. 5 digits are there. Clear? Like this you have to do these sums also. Now coming on to next page. See, question third is also similar. He is asking approximation this number correct to the nearest 10. Nearest 10 means ones, tens. Here in 10 place 7 is coming. After 7 what is the digit? 5. 5 or more than 5 if the number is coming here, then you have to increase the number 1. So 7 will become 8. You have to write all these numbers same, and 7 will become 8, and after 8 you have to put 0 here. Clear? Now fourth question, estimate each sum nearest to 10. How you will do this sum? See, fourth first part. What he is asking? 43 plus 28. You have to change nearest to 10. First you have to change the digits. Round off the digits nearest to 10. Ones, tens. In 10 place 4 is coming. After 4 3 is coming, which is less than 5. So this will become 40. Then here in 10 place 2 is coming. After 2 8 is coming, which is greater than 5. So here it will become 30. Now 40 plus 30, 70. 70 will be your answer. Clear? Like this you have to do this. Now see question number 5. You have to do estimate the sum nearest to 100. So first part is question number 5th, first part. See, the question is 437 plus 322. Nearest to 100. 1 stands 100. In 100 place 4 is coming. After 4 3 is coming, which is less than 5. So here the round off will be 400. Plus here 3 is coming in place of 100. After 3 2 is coming, which is less than 5. So it will become 300. Now 400 plus 300, the answer will be 700. Like this you have to do all the sums. Clear? Similarly, next question 6 first part. 17478 plus 31845. Here in 6 part you have to round off nearest to 1000. So first you have to find out the value nearest to 1000. 1 stands 100, 1000. 7 is coming. After 7 4 is coming, which is less than 5. So round off will be 17000. Plus here 1 stands 100,000. After 1000 1 is coming. After 1 the value is 8, which is greater than 5. So here you will increase 1. So round off will become 32000, like this. Then you have to add both the digit and you will get your answer. 000 then 94. This will be your answer. Clear? Like this you have to solve. Then question number 7. 7 first part, what he is saying nearest to 10. 96 minus 27. You have to do nearest to 10. How you will do? 1 stands. Here 9 is coming. After 9 what is the digit? 6, which is greater than 5. So here 1 will increase. 9 will become 10 and this will become 0. Minus here 10 place 2 is coming, and after 2 the value is 7, which is greater than 5. So here we will increase 1. 2 will become 3, 0. Then 100 minus 30, 70. Like this you have to solve. Clear? Now next question. Question 8. 4, 6, 7, 6, 5 minus 18785. Here you have to change nearest to 100. 1 stands 100. In 100 place 7 is coming. After 7, what is the digit? 6, which is greater than 5. So we will increase 1. So the round off will become 4, 6, 8. Then 0, 0. Minus. Now in here 100 place 7 is coming. After 7, 8 is there, which is greater than 5. So here also we will increase 1. Then 1, 8. 7 will become 8. Then 0, 0. Then you have to minus both this and you will get your answer. Clear? See, this is 9th question. By mistakenly I had done for this. Sorry for that. This is 9th question, first part. And you have to, in 9th question, see, you have to round off nearest to 1000. Nearest to 1000. So, how you will have to do? 1, 10, 100, 1000. In 1000 place 6 is coming. So now, after 6, 7 is coming, which is greater than 5. So 6 will become 7. So like this you have to write 4, 7, 0, 0, 0. Then here also 1000, 1s, 10s, 100, 1000. Here 8 is coming in 1000 place. After 8, 7 is coming, which is greater than 5. So you have to increase 1 here also. Then 1, 9, 0, 0, 0. Like this. Then you have to subtract this. Minus this and you will get your answer, which is 28,000. Clear? This will be your answer. Is this clear? This is 9th question. See question number 10. Estimate each of the following product. So, first part. See, 10th first part. 27 into 73. So, how you have to round off this? Here 2 is here. After 2, 7 is there. 7 means you have to increase 1 here. So this will become 30. Then here, after 7, 3 is there, which is less than 5. So increase, you cannot increase here 1. This will remain the same. So 70. Then multiplying this, we will got 2100. This will be your answer. Like this, you have to round off and multiply this. Clear? Now 11th question. See 11th first part. The question is 87 divided by 27. See here after 8, 7 is there, which is greater than 5. So you will increase 1 here. This will become 90. Then divide. Then after 2, 7 is there. Then here also, which is it, 7 is greater than 5. So you have to increase 1 here. So the answer will be 30. Now after dividing this, you will got 30. This will be your answer. Clear? Like this way, you have to do the remaining part in your notebook. You have to do these sums in your fair notebook. The remaining part also you have to do it by your own. This is your homework. Now see you in next class. Thank you for that time. Thank you.